Why are the humans flapping that? Are they okay? I've seen parrots with better rhythm. Wait, okay. No. I could out-tweet that with one tail feather. No, not today. I'm filing a complaint with Bird HR. Yes, this one's a vibe. What in the tail feather is that mess? My perch is shaking. Oh dear. You good humans need me to show you how it's done. Serving your confusion with a side of offbeat. You good human need me to show you how it's done. A dance that I can actually vibe to. Left wing, right wing, let's go. Interesting. Stop that right there. Let's change. This track is going down. Oh yeah. Let's go. Bum 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 bum. Nah, I'm done.